Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have chosen to spend some time with me today. I do have a stitch fix to share with you, and this one came really quickly. I think it came sooner than expected. That's okay. I love Stitch Fix. My closet is filled with Stitch Fix clothing. Have you tried Stitch Fix yet? If not, I have left everything you need to know about Stitch Fix in the description box below. I've also left my referral link. If you use my referral link, you will get credit towards your first fix. And in return, Stitch Fix offers me some credit as well. And I want to thank everyone that has used my link. You guys make the clothing so much more affordable, and you support this channel by using my link. So thank you very much. Some credit on this box, and I'm always excited when I have some credit. I mean, who wouldn't be, right? Yeah, get your own Stitch Fix. You'll get a referral link to share with your friends and family. And yeah, so my stylist has put together 5 things in this box for me to try on at home. I have 3 days to decide, to share it with you, get your opinions, and decide what I want to keep before I send anything back. Now, if there are 5 pieces in here and I can keep every single piece, I get a 25% discount. So that's always what I'm hoping for, but they need to be 5 really special pieces because my closet is busting at the seams. So I'm only keeping really special items. Let's see what my stylist sent. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and everything I need to know is printed right on the box. Stitch Fix makes everything really very, very easy. They do send an envelope, and this envelope is filled with information. There is an invoice and a note from my stylist. There's also a return mailer, so I can return free of charge anything that doesn't work or any exchanges I might need to make. And this is the bundle. Let's look. Okay, that's what the bundle looks like. What do you think? It looks like I've got something green there, some olive color, some purple, some mustard stripes. This one looks good. On the top is this cute little top. I love the colors of this top. This is kind of an orange, almost a peachy orange, split neck top. It does look like it's going to be a little flowy, and there's pleat detail in the front and the back. So yeah, okay, this one is 41 Hawthorne. And next up we have, now this is a polyester. This looks like Renee C. Is it? No, it's Fortune and Ivy. This is Fortune and Ivy, and I have a top, I believe by Renee C, that looks so similar to this that's why I thought it was Renee C. But that's what this one looks like. This is a polyester tank. I like this though. That's why I already have it. Next up is the mustard and cream colored, what is this? This is just a tee. Okay, so it's kind of a scoop neck tee with a short, almost a cap sleeve. So this is definitely a Kelly piece. We'll see. I don't know if this is a piece I need. There is a seam down the back, but other than that, split seams on the side, it's pretty simple. Next up, we have something in navy, more navy. It's a navy dress with spaghetti straps. This one is by Kaylee, and it's got a cinched waist. Is it? Oh, it's not a dress. This is a jumpsuit. Okay, but it's not bra friendly. This is a strapless bra jumpsuit. Let's see how that one works. And the last thing we have is cut from the cloth, crop straight legs. And oh, I like this. Now that's an olive color, but it's a bright olive color. Look at those patch pockets. You guys know I have been liking this style. Okay. Yeah, let's try everything on and see how it works. The piece I'm most excited about, and I tried on first, is the 41 Hawthorne. I'm really drawn to these colors. I like orange, and it's a nice addition to my closet. I have so much mustard and blue that I'm always kind of seeking colors that are a little bit different, like this one. This one is the Brayson pleat detail, and there's pleating on the front and the back. This is really a thin polyester blouse. I like it a lot. The price tag is $54. I think that is a little high. What do you think about that? It's basically a tank top, a nicely done tank sleeveless blouse for $54. I just don't want to spend that much on it, but I sure do like it. I don't know. How much do you spend on your sleeveless summer tops? Is $54 a fair price for this uber cute sleeveless top? With that top, and actually all of the tops, I tried the cut from the cloth. These are the Ellis straight leg capri crop pants, and they are in an olive color, but I really like the color on these pants, and I've been looking for a pair of pants with this type of pocket. I like these pants. They're very comfortable. Cut from the cloth makes a very comfortable pants, denim. I have a lot of them and I really like them, but I felt like there was just too much pulling through the leg. Yeah, one of my YouTube friends called it elephant leg, and I kind of had that going on with these. I think these pants are a nice summer pant, but they just don't fit me very well, and so I have to send them back. These are $78, which is a typical price for cut from the cloth. I like the color. I do have olive pants that are a better fit than this, and they're an ankle pant, so they're similar. So yeah, I'm gonna send these back, but I do like them. Just, I wasn't happy with the fit on me. Next up is the t-shirt. They don't call this a t-shirt. This is by Sanctuary. I don't think I told you the brand earlier. Sanctuary is a nice brand. It's also a little bit pricey, and this is the scoop neck linen top. So it is linen. It will keep you really cool in the summertime. Now, I do have a mustard stripe top. I believe I got it at Walmart. It's cotton and it is not see-through. So this one is okay. It's pretty basic, but it's see-through, and I don't really need this top, but yeah, that's what it looks like. You guys see it in the try-on, and it does have more of a flutter sleeve than a cap sleeve, so I like that, but I just don't have a need for this one. Next piece is the Fortune and Ivy. I love this top, and this is the Orana sleeveless top. This is a polyester, but it's a stretchy polyester, and it has these great colors on a blue background. And this one is the least expensive piece in the entire box. This one is only $38. I absolutely love this piece. You can probably tell in the try-on when I put it on. I like it, but I already have it. I went to my closet, I looked to see if I had it, and I do. And it's actually Fortune and Ivy, but the background is a green color instead of this blue color, so it's a little bit different, but other than that, it is the identical top, which I need to wear. I haven't worn it this summer, so I'm not going to purchase another one, but yeah, this is a great top. If you like colorful pieces, you might want to request this Orana top by Fortune and Ivy, because I've been happy with it. I forgot it was in my closet until I saw this one. So I'm just going to be happy with the one I already have. And the Kaylee jumpsuit. I was not excited to try this piece on. My stylist did send it for me. I mean, I think he is really trying to find a jumpsuit for me. I don't know why, but so this was a big surprise. I actually like this jumpsuit so much better than I thought I would. You can see how thin those straps are. So for me, I don't own a bra that has thinner straps than that. So this does require a strapless bra for me to wear it. And once I put it on, I kind of like this one. It has pockets. It has really nice pockets in it. The fabric is a polyester knit. It feels so silky and so nice. And I also thought that the neckline and even the back were cut really nicely for me. I wasn't overexposed, which is always kind of a concern in a top like this. So I would love to hear what you think about this jumpsuit. This is the Kaylee Morgan cropped knit jumpsuit. This is $58. I'm considering keeping it. Now, I do have to give that some thought, because I do own tops and dresses that require a strapless bra, and I seldom reach for them. Now, I like this, and because it's new, I would probably buy it and wear it immediately within the next couple weeks. I just don't know if I will pull for it again. And I think it's worth every bit of $58. I just have to see and think about if it really works into my lifestyle. So yeah, there you have it. The total price of everything in this box is $272. The buy all discount is minus $68, which means I could purchase everything in this fix for $204. I don't need everything in this fix. The pants are not a good fit for me. If they're not a good fit, they have to go back. But I am considering keeping the jumpsuit. I am also thinking about the 41 Hawthorne top because I love the colors. So please weigh in. Let me know what you think about the items that I received in this fix. I do want to read my stylist note to you. I don't always read stylist notes, but in my last fix, I did receive a seafoam green work satchel, which I bought. I love it. There was a lot of conversation in my comments about receiving that particular bag in a more neutral color, perhaps for the fall. So he does address that. He says, "Hi, Kelly. I tried finding a more neutral bag similar to that last one, but came up short, so I'll keep my eyes open for your next fix. If you pick something up before then, just let me know. I know we tried a jumpsuit before, but I want to give it another shot with a Kaylee cropped knit. The small floral print seems to be taking over, and this is a great length for summer." What do you guys think about the small floral print? Is it, taking over the fashion world right now? Let me know what you think about the small floral prints, because I'm not real crazy about the big ones, but the smaller ones, I don't know. I like this particular jumpsuit. He also goes on to say the mustard sanctuary is linen, so it will breathe well all summer long. Have a wonderful day. Cheers, Jason. So that's my stylist note. I do have a couple more days to hear your feedback and decide what I will keep from this fix. Thank you very much for joining me once again. Would you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings to all of you.